Keeping your Smart Grinder Pro clean will ensure your machine continues producing perfectly ground coffee with each use. Here's how to perform a cleaning of the Conical burrs and a quick general clean. Let's walk you through how to clean the Conical burrs and ensure consistent grinding results. Important for espresso coffee. Unlock the hopper by rotating it counterclockwise and lifting it up. Hold the hopper over an empty container and turn the dial to release the beans into it. Align the hopper back into its position, rotate clockwise to lock back into place, and set a container under the grind outlet. Press the Start button and run the grinder until empty. Remove the hopper. Remove the upper burr by rotating counterclockwise and firmly pulling it up. Clean the upper burr using the cleaning brush provided. With the cleaning brush, clean the lower burr. If there are still excess grinds you can't get to, use a vacuum cleaner to remove it. Push the upper burr firmly into position again, then rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Make sure the arrows align, like this. Align the hopper into position again and lock the hopper by rotating it clockwise. To start your general clean, empty the beans from the hopper and grind out any excess beans. Unplug the cord from the power before further cleaning. Remember to avoid alkaline or abrasive cleaning agents, steel wool or scouring pads, as they can damage the machine surface. Instead, using warm soapy water, wash the grind container and lid. Rinse and dry thoroughly, and do not place any grinder parts or accessories in the dishwasher. To clean the bean hopper and lid, use a soft, damp cloth. For the grinder's exterior, wipe and polish with a soft, damp cloth. Only apply the cleaning agent to the cloth and not directly on the machine. Plug the cord back into the power outlet and you're good to grind again.